What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over how you can make money with Clickfunnels as an affiliate. For those of you who are new, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button for me. And if you don't know what an affiliate is or what affiliate marketing is, real quick, affiliate marketing is when you take somebody else's product and you promote it to an audience and you receive a commission anytime a sale occurs. So let's take a look at my computer screen, and you can see a new ClickFunnels account that we just started to be an affiliate for. And as you see right here, the lifetime earnings, they're only $1,300. But as you can see, in the last 30 days, we've been able to generate $1,071 as a new affiliate. And very quick disclaimer, of course, I can't guarantee these results. These are my personal results that I have seen. Your results may be better, they may be the same, or they may be slightly a little bit less. But all I can do is say, if you don't take action, then you won't get results at all. But if you want to know how we were able to do this relatively quickly, I want to show you a few things for you to do and start implementing today for you to be able to execute the same strategies I used to grow this to already $1,000 in 30 days. And again, with affiliate marketing, with ClickFunnels, it could end up being a reoccurring passive commission program because it is a software. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, let's take a look real quick over here at this right here. What a funnel is, ClickFunnels is, it's for you to build a funnel web page, like an email opt-in page, and then a product page, a value page, what they call a bridge page, and then a product page. So it's a funnel, it's a step-by-step instructions, what you want your customer to do. And what I want for you to do is to start with this. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. You see this right here. Launch your next funnel. How would you like us to hold you hand by hand? So they hold you on this challenge. See, join the challenge now for a one-time discount payment of only $100. And I'm going to discuss that in just a minute. So it does cost $100 to join. And I want daily training, live coaching, and accountability from day 1 to day 30. So if you just take a look, scroll through here, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this challenge for you to access it. But here, let's talk about it real quick, and I'm going to show you how you can leverage this challenge to benefit you so you can start receiving commissions as an affiliate. The challenge costs $100 to join. This covers the materials that we ship into you during the challenge. This is what you get. 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson. He is the creator of ClickFunnels. Coaching from Stephen Larson and Julie Stoyan. One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit. It's a 30-day plan. You get a physical copy of the workbook, MP3 player, 30 days hardcover book, unlimited access to interviews, behind the scenes 2 Common Club interviews. So what this challenge is going to do is give you a full in-depth training and understanding of how to utilize funnels. But not only that, now, once you get into here, let's jump back over to my affiliate dashboard. Once you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels or a member of ClickFunnels, you sign up to be an affiliate, you could just go right here to the One Funnel Away. You'll see they're all One Funnel Away Challenge, different things, but you'll click affiliate tools, get my links. Once you get your links, you can see that your potential earnings is $100 CPA for every person who enrolls. So ultimately, that means they are offering you 100% of the revenue. 100%, guys, that's insane, because it costs you $100, right? So the reason I advise you to obviously go into the One Funnel Away Challenge is so you understand what it is, how ClickFunnels works, and how it can benefit an audience, because now you know about it, you took it, and you're more than likely going to believe in it, because to me personally, it's made by Russell Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels. It's got to be the best challenge for you to learn how to actually leverage the website, use the website, and understand what ClickFunnels are. So it's hands down the best. And then at the same time, when you refer it to somebody, you receive all your money back. So you spend $100, you get one person to sign up, and you essentially get 100% of your investment back, and you've gained a ton of knowledge. So this is how you would come get your affiliate link, right? And now you're probably wondering, well, how am I going to drive traffic to the affiliate link? Well, once you start doing something and you learn a skill, there's people out there that want it. There's so many ways for you to go about getting audience to this. To me, I like YouTube. As you can see, I'm on YouTube, but I know a lot of people don't maybe have followings yet, but you don't have to have a following. You have to start somewhere. Nobody has a following when they start. You could go to TikTok. You could post valuable content on TikTok, because the thing is, once you learn and once you go through the One Funnel Away challenge, you now have knowledge that is valuable to somebody that has not been through the One Funnel Away challenge. So you could bring them just a little bit more value and then entice them to check this out, right? And then you'll also be able to sign up. I'll leave a link for you to sign up for your 14-day free trial for Clickfunnels. But once you have access to Clickfunnels, you can build a funnel, a landing page. They're gonna actually walk you through it. So once you get into the challenge, you'll have that. If you want to, you can either do the 14-day free trial and just wing it, or you can just go through the challenge. You'll get access. You'll be able to build your account. You'll be able to start your 14-day free trial that way. Start building your funnels, and then you could do like an email opt-in funnel. Get people's emails via TikTok, via YouTube, via Facebook, and you can start getting people to migrate towards that by you bringing them value. I know this was a super simple video, but I really recommend that you check out this One Funnel Away challenge. You use it to a pre-existing audience you may have. You may already be on TikTok, you may be on YouTube, and you just learn how to build a funnel, and then you drive traffic to the same training that you used, which is the One Funnel Away challenge. It educated you, and then you bring that value to somebody else. And then hopefully you should be able to get, you start seeing commissions. You see in the last 30 days, we've done just over $1,000. We had just started prior to that, so we've done $1,300. By using the same exact method. I use TikTok for a lot of my traffic. YouTube is a new channel. As you see, we're steadily growing, but I'm leveraging TikTok to grow YouTube at the same time. So it just shows you the power. You can post on Instagram, and it's just a little extra, and you learn a skill that maybe you didn't have already, and then you could educate others on that same skill. Real quick though, let me open up a new window. Once you become a member of, once you become a member of Clickfunnels, well, they'll walk you through it. You know what? They'll walk you through it. I don't want to open up my dashboard really on my main account, but once you become a member of Clickfunnels, you have access to the affiliate center, or you can scroll to the bottom and hit become an affiliate. You'll just have to sign up under the affiliate marketing tab or affiliate program tab, and then you'll just create your affiliate account and you'll have access to these affiliate tools. Super simple. If you do need more questions on that, I will make another video. I don't want to drag this out any longer. Leave in the comments if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll be more than happy to help you with them. But get into the One Funnel Away challenge that is in the description below, and as always, we hope to see you in the next one.